Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. You know this is Lee Summersell with Custom Cars TV. Today's video I'm going to show you a couple of things I'm excited about. I'm excited first of all about my new laptop. Check it out. And at this present time we're uploading our next video. And y'all stay tuned to check it out. It'll be dropping sometime soon. If by the time I drop this video, it would have been already been uploaded to the YouTube. So you guys been supporting me. I appreciate you. And I'm about to drop y'all some more car footage. I went on over there to the Dodge dealership, and I'm looking for something to drive. So I got some cars I've been looking at. I want to show you guys. But yeah, though, there you have it. So I'm gonna go down here and punch in and let y'all see these clips. All right. Oh.
I'm the reason you know how to work the camera.
Yeah, whatever. Yeah, hey, what's up, man? Hey, YouTube, welcome back to another video, man. In this episode, man, we're gonna be fixing this battery. We're gonna take this battery out, man, see what we got going on, man, and we're gonna make it pop a lock, crack a lock. You feel me? I'll be back. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Lee Summersell with Custom Cars TV, checking with another video on YouTube. Yeah, man. So today we come to my homeboy house, and we're just pulling up, and he got some kind of battery issue going on, so we're gonna try to sort it out. You know what I'm saying? So I see the battery already been taken out and stuff, and the battery been put in. I guess it's just a matter of tying it on up. You know what I'm saying? This is the car we're working on today. It's Lincoln MKZ. Yeah. So we putting it down today, man, and that's how we gonna do this thing, man. So y'all tap in. If you're new to the channel, you like cars, custom cars and repairs and installation videos, replacement videos, man, just like, share, subscribe, man. I try to make the best videos I can to help out, instructional videos that, you know what I'm saying, that we can help each other out. I'm not qualified, but just know, you know, I'm a DIY man. I do it myself, and I share what I do. You know what I'm saying? So we know that this battery don't fit. We're gonna just go ahead and take this battery out of here. What's up, y'all? So like, man, I'm on my way to Amtrak train station, because I just got a call from some friends of mine. They wanted to ride from the train station, so I'm riding. It'll take me about an hour to get to the train station. Yeah, man, so I'm on the highway right now, man, and we're trying to get down the highway, man, and as soon as we get there, man, I'm gonna check back in with you guys, man. I'm gonna try to find me a damn gas station. The gas so high, man, you gotta check these gas prices, because you pull up every penny count, man. You gotta save it down. I'm looking at the gas station up here now. I see the gas price is Exxon selling their gas. Exxon got their gas at $3.31 per gallon. So we'll ride on down the highway some, see can we get a little cheaper. Alright guys, we at the gas station and we're gonna get us some gas and shit. That's what it do, baby.
I got it.
Yeah, he gonna pull up.
Him and that damn dog.
Him and that damn dog.
You ain't doing changing the battery?
Yeah. Cause they gonna get
That's I just need views, that's all. You know what I'm saying? The battery went dead. The battery went dead. Oh. Well, yeah. Y'all wanna make sure to put the battery on tight for a good secure connection. You know what I'm saying? Like how we doing the internet. You know how they say you gotta get a good connection. Internet connection.
So you got that Wi-Fi connection gotta be strong.
We gotta have a strong one. Now we gotta have a good battery terminal connection.
There you go.
You know what I'm saying? Cause this car got a lot of
Spartanburg Gators.
yeah,
Well, they team crucial. I ain't gonna lie to you, boy.
yeah,
Them boy, they damn running back.
Alright, damn
When
time.
you said we pulled
Oh,
that.
okay.
They
So
run
we gonna
back.
walk around and check it out.
That motherfucker got down. My oldest son,
Yeah.
them motherfuckers, they both of them got down. I like that fucking uniform.
Yeah, man. So we could just the time of the moment, man. We're gonna crank and see if this thing gonna crank, man. See what's problem. All right, see if we got some dash lights. We got some dash lights. Up. We got it crank, man. We got it going. Good installation. All right, man. So look, man, thanks for watching, man. Holler back at y'all. Holler back at y'all next time.
There you go.